Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new set of colouring pencils I bought from the brand ARTEZA. I'll be drawing two dogs from a reference photo and giving my opinions on the pencils. Please note I am not a professional artist, I just do this as a hobby and I want to show other people like me what I think of this brand. If you want to see how I drew the outline for this drawing, check out my video How to Trace for Realistic Portrait Drawings. Also note, this video is not sponsored. I bought these pencils with my own money and I will be giving my true honest evaluation of them. I began with the eye using the colours Noir and Dark Chocolate Brown. My first impressions of the pencils were they were very soft and waxy. I really liked the feel of them. A big mistake I made at the start of this drawing was I did not sharpen the pencils to the tips before I began. These pencils work much better when fully sharpened, which I did after about 5 minutes into drawing. For the fur of the dogs, I used the colours Cinnamon, Hazelnut Brown, Copper, Ginger, and later on the Camel Brown colour, which I found the best colour for this drawing. Another thing I really liked about these pencils is the colour names. They were really lovely and it helped me to memorise them while drawing the picture. I had a list of swatches next to me as well, so I knew what I was working with. I really liked how the colours blended together so easily, allowing for changes if necessary. I did find the colours looked slightly different on paper than they do on the pencils, so I would strongly recommend doing a swatch test before using them if you want more accurate results. I brought the pack of 120 colouring pencils, so I had a lot of colours to choose from. Because of the amount of vibrant colours in this brand, I would recommend buying the 120 collection in order to get a full range of neutral colours for portrait drawings. I really enjoyed working with these pencils and I will definitely recommend them as a budget set for beginner artists. After I had finished doing the main colours, I decided to add fur detail. This is where it's super important to have sharpened your pencils because the strokes need to be fine and visible, not blended into the rest of the colours. Now I didn't plan which colours to use before I started drawing, which is why I was super impressed with the blending quality because it really saved my drawing when I went over the odd colours. Because this video is mainly a review, I won't go into too much detail about the techniques I used. However, I will give you a few tips on how to make your drawings look more realistic. So shading is key. Really look at the dark and light areas of your reference photo and pick out your shadows and highlights carefully. The clearer the reference photo, the more realistic your drawing will be. So really spend time taking or researching a high quality reference photo. Please note that you must have the rights to use the photo you're drawing from. The last tip I'll give you in this video is concentrate a lot on the eye detail, as this will make or break the portrait drawing. Leave the whites of the eye completely blank until the end, and it is also useful to have a white pen just in case you need to go over something. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.